Silambatam.
Gowtham Raj of Class 8B has won gold medal in SILAMBAM and has set a record in International Wonder Book of Records conducted in Nehru Indoor Stadium. He has created a set new record by 11 ropes with 35 steps in 3 minutes. Ground salute, sky salute, audience salute, stick, inner or outer circle, above the head left or right rotate, stills, center stick rotate, pan stick rotate, ninja rotate, flow house rotate. This achievement has been entered into International Wonder Book of Records.
Silambatam. Silambam is a weapon-based Indian martial art originated from Tamil Nadu. The word Silambam is based on the Tamil word Silambalu, which means sound. While the bamboo staff is riled and when the Silambam players are fighting, the weapons make sound, thus the art of the battlefield is called as Silambam. Silambam not only gives you strength, it also gives you focus and confidence. Silambam improves blood circulation and heart function, relieves stress and fatigue, improves body flexibility and reflexive movement of joints and muscles. An ancient defense form, one of the 64 art forms of yore, a predecessor to many other art forms and the pride of Tamil Nadu, Silambatam is one of the oldest known martial art forms identified. Silambam or Silambatam is a weapon-based martial art form from Tamil Nadu. From being a warfare method to being a martial art, Silambatam has a long way. Today, Silambam is quite widespread all over the globe and is given a lot of emphasis. Etymologically, Silambam is a combination of the words Silam meaning hill and Kambu meaning staff or stick. So, Silambam literally means staff from the hills. Although the origins of this art form are not well known, it is commonly accepted that the sage Agatya documented the frameworks and its modalities. The history of this art can be known from Nadasari, an ancient manuscript. A recent archaeological research has revealed that Silambam has been in practice for more than 10,000 years. History. Silambam has been used by ancient dynasty Chola, dynasty Chera, and Pandya kings of South India during the Sangam period. It is widely used by military Marwar in Travancore. Marwar, one of the king of Travancore, used Silambam in their warfare against their enemy. Royal military Veer Pandya Kattabomma mostly depends on their skills using Silambam in their warfare against British army. At 2nd century, the sale of stick Silambam, sword pearls and armor to foreign traders. The ancient trading center in the city of Madurai is famous throughout the world and visited by Romans, Greeks and Egyptians among others who had regular sea trade with the ancient Tamil king. Silambam stick is one of the martial arts weapon, which are in high demand from visitor.
After the art spread to the Malay world, Silambam refers to art as the weapon. Some martial arts such as Silat are charged to absorb Silambam.
There are a lot of health benefits in learning Silambam. It is a good form of cardio exercise. It improves the flexibility of body and the reflex of the individual. It helps with muscle coordination and increases mental strength and agility. It is good that our talented student Gowtham Raj of 8B is making our school proud by showcasing the dance art of Tamil Nadu.